Hi everyone and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. With modern cars, to make a good diagnosis of the car problem, in most cases you'll need an OBD tool. Over the years, it has become a must-have in the toolbox, and oftentimes without it, you simply can't fix your car. In this video, we'll show you how to use an OBD tool. Don't worry, it's no more complicated than using a smartphone. So stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. For viewers who are new to this topic, an OBD tool, which stands for Onboard Diagnostic Tool, is a digital tool that connects to your car's computer via the OBD port. Its main task is to read and show the error codes that the car's computer, known as the ECU, registers when the problem occurs. The error codes are shown as multiple digit codes and can be deciphered using a list of error codes or by reading a short description from the OBD tool. So essentially, the OBD tool is a key for getting the error code from your car's computer, and by doing this, you'll get a hint or an explanation of what's wrong. From there, you can, in most cases, start inspecting and solving the problem. It is worth mentioning that there are multiple kinds of OBD tools on the market. The main division between them is that there are amateur and professional OBD tools. In this realm, you can buy a cheap OBD tool with a TFT screen and buttons. Next in line is a better one with a large LED screen and with more options in it. Or you can buy an OBD tool that has a port that connects to your smartphone. In this case, choose what suits you best. In our opinion, the second option is the best if you can spend some extra money. In this case, not only can you read or erase codes, but you also have the option for various settings. Know that whatever OBD tool you buy on the market, the basic principle for using it is the same. Now, how to use an OBD tool? First, turn on the OBD tool and then connect the data cable on it to the OBD port on the car. Make sure the cable is plugged in properly. Next, turn on the ignition, so do not turn on the engine, just turn on the ignition. Next, on the tool, you'll see some sort of menu for choosing commands. Probably the first command you'll encounter will be to choose the type of your car. Choose the type and let the OBD tool connect to your car's computer. This may take some time, so be patient and don't interrupt it. Then choose the commands for scanning or detection and let the OBD tool scan the car's computer for errors. The tool scans all the main systems in your car, and this may also take some time. Wait until it finishes. If you have an error, the OBD tool will probably show it as a red error code. And there you have it, that's the whole procedure. So it's very simple. All you have to do is connect the tool and select the command to scan. That's all. Decipher the error code using an error code list or read the brief explanation on the OBD tool. From there, in most cases, you can start solving the problem or get a good idea of what's wrong. Now, if you've managed to solve the problem with your car, know that you can use the OBD tool to reset the error and erase it from the ECU memory. For instance, you can erase the check engine light like this, since it is the most common warning light that appears. You can select a command from the OBD tool menu that will offer to erase the code and remove the error. Know that if you haven't solved the problem, the warning light and error code will soon appear again, and you should search for other causes for the problem. When you're finished using the tool, turn off the ignition, disconnect the OBD tool, and turn it off. In the end, know this. Sometimes the diagnosis will give you just a hint of the problem through the error code, but not the exact solution. Consider this always, so you don't get misled and make unnecessary and expensive repairs. If you're a novice with the OBD tool, use only the commands and functions you know how to use and that you actually need. Avoid more complicated commands and settings. You can change some vital parameters by mistake and, for instance, won't be able to start the engine after that. So that's it for this time. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. We sincerely hope the video helps. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.